Once upon a time, there was a girl named Alice who loved stories. One day, while exploring the city's library, she discovered an old door hidden between the bookshelves. Curious, she turned the doorknob, and in the blink of an eye, she was pulled inside. When she opened her eyes, Alice found herself in front of an immense castle made of book pages. But something was wrong. The words were escaping from the books, floating through the air like frightened butterflies. The characters ran around in panic, trying to recover their stories. "Please help us," begged a small rabbit wearing a vest, holding a clock with no numbers. "Without the words, we are lost." Alice realized she needed to gather the words and put them back into the right books to restore the stories. She followed the words dancing through the castle and began capturing them with a magical net she found in the grand hall. First, she found words like hat, red, and forest. She remembered the story of Little Red Riding Hood and quickly placed them in the right book. As soon as she did, Little Red Riding Hood appeared, smiling and holding her basket. Then, she found words like pirate, treasure, and island. She immediately thought of a pirate story and organized the words in the correct book. A brave pirate reappeared, raising his sword and shouting, "Land ahoy!" Alice continued her mission until all the stories were restored. The castle glowed, and the characters celebrated, thanking the girl. "You saved the Castle of Lost Words?" said the Queen of Stories, presenting Alice with a golden book. "Now, whenever you need a new adventure, just open this book, and the words will come to you." Alice blinked, and suddenly, she was back in the library. But now, every time she read a book, she felt the words dancing around her like old friends. And so, she never stopped reading and living incredible stories again.